You may be wondering why I've invited you all here. The damn depression is at it again. I don't exactly know what's going to happen, but let's do a thing. Listen, something really bad happened here already and I don't want to hear anything about it. I'm going to just let my inner monster just come out. I feel like it's important to talk about when you're depressed because I feel like it's just as valid as when you are sick with the flu. It happens, Barbara. So what happened over here? I met this little gay boy the other day and he had acrylic glitter red stiletto nails, a color that didn't match his skin at all, and then no makeup here, just stubble and razor burns. That's a lot of highlight on my nose and it's bad. I don't know if this is the right sponge, but you know what, who cares? You know, there's a lot of controversy about whether OnlyFans is just for porn, and the answer is yes. Okay. Things are going badly. I'm contouring now. Apparently my inner monster has no forehead and just a strange slope here. You know what my favorite thing about depression is that we've known about depression for years and years and years, and yet there are people who still think that it's just something that we make up in our heads, that we can control it, the chemicals in our brain, we can go, stop, don't feel the things that you feel, you should just be normal like everyone else. I can barely control my bowel movements, Anna Marie. I can't control my brain. Something happened on this side that did not happen on this side. I can't even control this sideburn that doesn't want to glue down. Never going to be a makeup authority. No one's ever going to respect me. I want more contour here. I need more contour. My life's gone downhill enough. I'm just gonna keep putting this stuff on my face. Maybe it'll all get better. It's amazing to me, like actually amazing, that white people still think that Trump is a good idea. It's even more amazing to me that the media is trying to pretend like there are people of color out there who actually want him in office / alive. I think there would be a lot less depressed people in the world if property taxes weren't so freaking high and if it was actually affordable to, I don't know, live somewhere. I'm using clown white because sometimes we lose control of our identity. And this is really the only solution. My inner saboteur and my inner demon has no nose, apparently. Just a stick with a button on it. I already don't like this. This feeling is regret. Ooh, bad thing's gonna happen. I spent some of my Christmas money on this really pretty Morphe palette. Isn't this pretty? It's plum. I'm just gonna like build the color like so that it's really intense. Something is dangling right here. I see it. This looks like poop. Like just a tube of poop. But it's I've inhaled too much of this powder. Look at this little creature who's come to say hi to me. Look at the camera. Strangely enough, this was in my vision. Never have I more felt like a chola. I'm going to attempt a clown white seance and hopefully clean up this. I don't have the mental capacity to deal with this as a concept. You know what? I started and then I'm changing gears. I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna do something, I don't know. What is this for? Oop, yep, that was very unexpected for how much color came off of this. I just pricked the color and this is how much came off. This is fine. And now it's all bad. I'm gonna take a big old risk and put just a tiny more black on here, you know, because I really hate myself. That's not horrible. These don't appear to match at all. So I'm gonna start with a light color. I'm gonna do purple because I like to think of my inner monster as being just like this ridiculous, wealthy woman. And wealth is often represented by purple. I didn't like it at first, but now I do. Not mad at it. Let's just take a not shimmery purple, because my face is starting to look a little oily up here. But she's not bad. She's actually kind of pretty. Ooh, my arms are sore. And now, because I truly hate myself and everything about me, I'm gonna take a dark shimmery color, you know, 'cause shimmer is the worst. I'm going to attempt to buff some type of smoke into this. See? See? Look at this fallout. Look at that. It's the worst. Now, because I thought it might be a cool idea, I'm gonna take one of these purple colors and I'm just gonna like line the crap out of all of this underneath here and just like make it just really like that. I'm not gonna lie, that's actually like really sickening. You know who's just a bop and like a national icon? Carly Rae Jepsen. Does water ever come clear and then you call the trick and you're like, hey, I'm ready, and he's like, oh, I just went out with friends, I'm not gonna be home till tonight. And you're like, are you kidding me? Do you know what I just went through for you? I just lined my waterline with a brush that I haven't cleaned in like 7 months, so there's a very real chance I might get an eye infection and lose both of them. My little angel came back. It loves me, huh? He does. Do we want blush? Is that even a question? Of course we want blush. You know, the really upsetting thing is I just realized I don't have any hair that accommodates how nice this mug is. If I do a purple lip, is that too much? I'm gonna do it anyways. Something happened. Why? And these are huge. Ooh, this is actually like really fierce. Yes, gaga. I need to put on lashes and like a hair piece or something. Ooh, yes, girl. Ooh, she's like feeling her business fish. Look at her though. My depression certainly isn't cured, but it's better. Ooh, I like her. I'm feeling her. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. My name currently is Yvonnedeculo. Thank you so much. Bye.